So hi guys, welcome to Cloud Container. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu 22.04 on Windows Server by using VirtualBox. So if you don't know what is VirtualBox, VirtualBox is basically providing you a virtual environment to run two different operating systems on the same time. So if you don't know how to install VirtualBox, I am providing the link on the description of my previous video, or you can see the link in the upper section of the video. So without wasting time, just open your favorite Chrome browser and just type ubuntu.com or click on the download, get Ubuntu desktop. You can always go to get Ubuntu desktop if you see the Ubuntu graphical, or scroll down. You can see that download Ubuntu, download 22.024. Just click on this and wait for a few seconds, or that's it. You can see that Ubuntu 22.024 is download started. So for in this video, I'm already download this version. So I pause the downloading and open my VirtualBox and just click on the new button and type Ubuntu. VirtualBox is very sharp, so it's already picked my name, Ubuntu 64-bit. So just click on next. Oh, it say me that I have already created a folder named Ubuntu, so I have created Ubuntu Cloud. Click on next. You can set the RAM as you need. I'm set it around 3 GB. That's it. Create a virtual hard disk. So I am following the create a virtual hard disk. Next, hard disk type is VDI. So my recommended, you can also follow the VDI. Next, the storage type is dynamically located or fixed. So I am using the dynamic. You can use fixed, but my recommended is you can use the dynamic located. Next, here you can see the storage file. So I'm in this case I'm using around 40 GB. That's it. Create. So it is created. So just go to the setting and go to the storage or empty and providing the ISO file path. So here is my file I'm providing. You can follow as choose a disk file, or you can see that there is an your download file, or you can see, or you can providing this path. You can providing the file path here. So I'm also provided. So go to the journal or advanced and share clipboard, or go to the bidirectional or drag and drop, be also bidirectional. Go to the network setting, and using the network adapter is bridge adapter, or that's it. Click on OK or start it. So it takes some time to get started. I'm showing you. That's it. Try or install Ubuntu. Click on enter. After some of the time, it say me welcome. So English next. Keyboard layout, I am using English US. Next, or normal installation or minimum installation, download update while installation Ubuntu. I'm also using install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi. So just click on this and click on continue. It takes some time about your storage type or what RAM you provided. So this is the step. In this step, some people are worried about this erase disk and install Ubuntu. So this is the warning. So don't worry about it and just install now. And click on the continue. I cannot go back. Yeah, it providing me, it's asking me about my location. So it's set on Karachi, so I'm sitting in Lahore, so just click on the Lahore and you can see that Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan. Just click on continue and it provided some details, name, cloud, VirtualBox, and not using VirtualBox, I'm using cloud container, or using the password, and it does the login automatically. So if you don't need, if you are using yourself or you don't need to always login or providing password, you can go with login automatically or require my password to login. So I'm using login automatically without my password. So just click on continue. It takes some time, so it's now asking about restart. So restart now. Just wait for a few seconds. Press enter. And that's it. The Ubuntu server is ready to use. Just skip on the IDs, click on next, next, privacy policy is done. Yeah, you can see that it's running perfectly. So it's asked me about updates, so in this time I cancel it. Just open a terminal or type any command here, touch cloud container. Touch is basically used to create any file. So as you can see, the file is created. So remove the file, you can use rm cloud container. Sorry, I'm using touch also in this. Yeah, file is removed. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this, or don't forget to subscribe.